Hello, this is John Clark, and I'm going to talk through Assignment 0802 Plot Viewer. I'll first talk through the main function. I try each of the plot generators. You'll see that the first thing that I do is I register the appropriate generator, and after that call it a generate function in order to execute it. Answering the questions, I think that's at least part answer of the last question, but going into the class itself, describing how that works. Here we are. So this is the code for the register function. Have a method called that. It simply stores the the name of the generator in a variable. How does the plot viewer send the request to generate the plots to the plot generator? Here, we've just got some code to execute the plot generator that has been registered, and then we print the result. How does the plot viewer accept a request for user input from the plot generators? I've got this query user function, which prints the results, or prints the items in the dictionary for each one of the different components of the plot. Prints those out, then the user chooses which one they want. That data is validated. If it's a valid number, I return the integer back. Otherwise, give them an error message. So let's go ahead and there should be all the questions. Let's go ahead and run the code. Okay, put in a number. Okay, and we see that we've got the plot that the user selected. End of video.